Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix fail to launch for the Horizon 6.exe error code 2. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up search and then you need to look for Windows Security. Then on Windows Security, wait until it loads up. Then you need to go to protection history, wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up, and then you need to look for protected folder access blocked. Expand the option and look for Forza Horizon file. If you see Forza Horizon files, you just need to go to action and allow on device here. And after that, look if the problem persists or not. And if this does not work, then go where the game is located. So for example, let's say disk C, program files, and then Steam, common, should be somewhere here, or not common to Steam apps, common, find that particular game, and then you should see no DVD file. So what you need to do here is to drag and drop all the files from no DVD to the main directory here, and then you should see exe file. Right click on it, that particular exe file, show more options, properties, and make sure everything is deselected except run this program as admin. Apply OK, and your issue should be fixed. So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like.